So here's how to fix USB device not recognized in Windows 11. So first what you want to do is open the start menu and then search for power options. Click on edit power plan and then change advanced settings. In this window we want to scroll down to USB settings, expand USB selective suspend settings, and make sure this is disabled in here. The setting is disabled, and then click on apply OK. Close this and then right click on Windows Start button and then click on Device Manager. In the Device Manager we want to expand the Universal Serial Bus Controllers, and you should see the unrecognized device in here in this list. It should usually have a warning sign, yellow warning sign next to the icon, which means it's unrecognized. You can right click on that specific device and click update drivers, search automatically. Now if it finds any drivers, the device should become recognized again, and that should fix the problem. Otherwise you can search for updated drivers on Windows Update, and in here download any pending updates relating to the USB controllers. Also, you can click on advanced options, optional updates, and do the same here. Check any update related to USB controllers and click on download and install. And that should prompt you to reboot your computer. Now, after rebooting your computer, you can come back to this device manager and check if the device is still unrecognized. You can also click on this to refresh the hardware. Now, if you know what that device is that is being unrecognized, you can search the driver for it. For example, if it's a mouse or a keyboard, you can open your browser and then search for your keyboard model. For example, Razer keyboard Black Widow, something like that. Now you can go to your manufacturer website and then download their software, and it should automatically install any related drivers to your hardware, and that should fix the issue. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.